Good day everyone. Today we are going to make a very simple do-it-yourself home experiment, which are the DNA extraction using a banana and human saliva. If you want to see how this experiment is done, then I suggest you keep on watching. DNA extraction from banana. Here are the materials needed. Banana, 200 ml of cold alcohol, 1 tablespoon of table salt, half a cup of hot water, a cup of cold water, transparent drinking glass, gauze pads, and measuring cup, spoon, and syringe. In half a cup of hot water, add 1 tablespoon of table salt and 10 drops of liquid dishwashing soap. Salt is used in this experiment to help neutralize the charge of DNA, which will result in making the DNA less soluble in water. Soap, on the other hand, is used to help the cell pop open and make the DNA flow out once alcohol is added. Next step is to peel the banana. Place the banana inside the bag and mash it. By doing so, you are allowing the cell walls to break apart from each other, which will make the extraction of DNA a lot easier. The mashed banana in a cup and add 5 tablespoons of the precipitating solution. Then you can now add 100 ml of cold water and mix this thoroughly. For this experiment, I will be using gauze pads to help filter out the banana puree from the mixture. I used 3 layers of gauze pads to make sure that no banana puree or mashed banana will seep through the gauze pads. Repeat this process until all of the mixture has been sifted. This is the water that was collected from the banana and precipitating solution mixture. Next, we will be adding 200 ml of cold alcohol, and we will be dripping it down from the side of the glass to make sure that it will not disrupt the liquid that we collected from the banana. As you can see, Almost immediately, this white mass that you see here is the DNA that was extracted from the banana. DNA extraction from saliva. Here are the materials needed. Transparent glass, salt, alcohol, liquid soap, and calamansi. This is the glass with saliva in it. We will then add a few drops of liquid soap, a few drops of alcohol, and a whole calamansi inside, as well as a pinch of salt. Once you've added everything inside, make sure to stir everything up. Here is the final result. As you can see, there are little bits of DNA extracted from the saliva. Not much DNA was extracted, as we didn't have that much saliva in the cup, unlike the banana experiment. That is all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.